Hi guys, Songboy13, it's time for the weather forecast for the week ahead. And just before I focus with this week's forecast, let's quickly rewind back to last month, April. It is no surprise, it has been the sunniest, frostiest and the driest April we've had potentially on record. In fact, somewhere in the UK there was an air frost recorded every single night of the month. Tonight could be different though, and more on that for a couple of seconds. Today's weather though, well actually yesterday was the 1st of May and this was the first time, I think probably since mid-March, we've had some proper rainfall. It lasted for quite some time. Here's just a little snippet of yesterday. So yeah, bit of a downpour, but it collected a couple of millimetres, so some very welcome rain. It's quite dry again today, well, wherever I am. But for the main picture for today's weather, it's a pretty much classic theme of sunshine and showers. I think the April showers have came a bit late this year. So another very showery day, similar to the was the last couple of days. Very hit and miss, scattered ones, so not everywhere will catch them. In fact, some areas may even stay dry all day. Now, we've lost the northerly wind temporarily, so temperatures briefly a little bit better. I mean, nothing to write hope about having said that, but temperatures will be in a range between 11 and 14 degrees for most places, maybe a bit chilly further north, just into single figures, but for most places, a very slight improvement on the temperatures. Having said that, if you get caught in the showers, it's not going to feel that pleasant though, so basically, if you catch a shower, it could be quite heavy. Now tonight's weather, most of the showers, excluding one or two lingering ones overnight, will actually clear away, and many places will have a dry night, but we're not going to see really any air frost tonight, which might be the first time that's happened in over a month, because we've got a weather front coming in across the west from the Atlantic, so we'll be bringing some wind overnight, so temperatures will obviously be limited to the mid-single figures overnight. Maybe a bit chilly further northern Scotland, just close to freezing, but an air frost is extremely unlikely with some confidence. So it's a frost-free night for many, but mainly dry, but not for long. This week's weather, complete change to what we've been used to over the last few weeks. It's going to be becoming much wetter, and also not just that, it will be quite windy as well, very windy to begin the week, probably briefly lighter midweek, but picking up again by the end of the week, although there is still a little bit of uncertainty, but the temperatures will be below average right through into next weekend. I mean, temperatures may recover by Friday a little bit, but overall not a pleasant week. So let's just go through day by day details. Bank holiday Monday tomorrow, and it's just typical. We've got some heavy rain sweeping in across the Atlantic, and not just that, there will be gales blowing through, so I wouldn't be too surprised to see gusts of 40-50 miles per hour well inland. So no weather warning for wind. I wouldn't be too surprised they may update later on in the day, but quite a disruptive day and not a great day for your bank holiday break. So very wet and windy. Eastern areas probably may stay dry for longest, but even that by the afternoon it will be turning wet. Temperatures dreadful for the time of the year, just 7 to 9 degrees in Scotland and Northern Ireland, 10 to 12 for England and Wales. Having said that, if you get caught underneath the rain, it'll probably feel lower than that. So a very poor day. Now Tuesday, the rain will clear away up to the east. However, we keep the strong north to northwesterly winds associated with a low pressure system, so it's going to be another diabolical day on Tuesday in terms of the temperatures. Really struggling, especially in eastern coast where temperatures may not even reach 10 degrees Celsius, so 7 to 9 will be your very best, I'm afraid. Maybe a little bit better further west, 10 to 12, which is still below average. Lots of showers will be associated with a low pressure front throughout Tuesday. Now, it will be quite windy, so at least a little bit of good news is the showers won't last for too long, but they could be quite heavy. I wouldn't be surprised to see some hail, maybe the odd rumble of thunder. Anywhere could catch a shower on Tuesday, especially in eastern areas. So yeah, not a great day. Now, by the time we get into Wednesday, maybe possibly the slightly better day of the week. The winds will significantly ease from them for midweek, and there's a bit of a gap between weather systems, although low pressure is still close by, so some showers will be out, some sharp ones. I wouldn't be surprised to see the odd thunderstorm, but actually fewer ones on Wednesday, so a slightly better chance of staying dry, but those temperatures not doing very much. We're still underneath the cold air for the jet streams further south, so temperatures once again a bit disappointing for early May, 10 to 13 degrees Celsius at the very best. So but at least it's slightly dry. But even that, the odd washout in some places is not ruled out. Unfortunately, on Thursday it gets downhill once again, but there is also a little bit of doubt. There is another weather front that may target southern England. It may move further northwards. If that does, it'll be a completely different picture. But at the moment, we're thinking it may affect very southern areas of England. I can't pinpoint how the exact area the rain front will be, but it's likely the northern and central areas on Thursday. Will be election day, by the way, so that'll be a great day. More in the way of showers, and again, they could be quite heavy. Humidity may be a little bit higher on Thursday, so I wouldn't be surprised to see some actually more organised thunderstorms or some thundery showers with some potentially large hail on Thursday. There will be some sunshine as well, but if you do catch the downpours, it won't be very pleasant. Also, because the winds will be lighter, they could last longer as well. But there is a lot of uncertainty, so stay tuned to the forecast. The details may easily change. Temperatures, once again, really struggling, 10 to 12 in many places. Into Friday, there's always a bit of uncertainty by the end of the week, but potentially on Friday, the position of the low pressure systems, we've got another one, may actually change the wind direction. Also, the jet stream will be shifting up a little bit, so possibly, not a definite, temperatures may start to recover. It might still be a bit fresh on Friday. We may have another wet day, I'm afraid, but there's a bit of uncertainty with the timing. We may just have a few showers. It may rain in the evening, it may rain during the day, so I'm not going to say in high confidence, but I think likely we'll have a bit of a wet end to Friday, but that's only just a low chance of this. It's a low confidence at this stage, but it's not going to be great. Temperatures probably will be a little higher, more around 12 to 15 degrees Celsius, which is still a little bit chilly for May, but better than what we've been used to. And that will be the theme into next weekend. The winds will start to pick up though, so it could turn very, very windy, I'm afraid. I wouldn't be surprised to see the odd storm name associated with low pressure front, but the winds will be from a southwesterly direction at least into next weekend. This is just a possibility, but it's likely by Saturday onwards. Further rain at times, some heavy downpours possible, but temperatures won't be as cold. We may see temperatures more around potentially mid-teens. No heat wave, but at least it won't be as cold as what we've been used to. Into next week, I think we'll stay very unsettled. I think it will be quite windy and wet at times, probably similar to weather to what we'll be seeing this week. Temperatures won't be as low. So I think if you like a bit of warmth, maybe slightly better next week, but that's all I can promise you for the next, well, 14 days at least, if I should say so myself. But anyways, that's the weather forecast for the week ahead, so at least plenty of rain is expected this week for most of you, so at least you can get a bit of a respite from watering your plants. But unfortunately, if you don't like the cold weather, get used to it this week. It's not going to change in a hurry. Anyways, that's it for this week's weather forecast, and be sure to check out my next few videos. I may upload the heavens have opened. It's nothing hugely interesting, but it's just a bit of a change to what we've been seeing. But mainly, I will be planning to get the upload of the top 10 worst hailstorms in Texas. I meant to get it up this week, but I had to concentrate on the studies, which comes first. So stay patient, but watch this space. It should be up in the next few days, hopefully. And hopefully I'll try and get another one out for you guys. And other than that, enjoy your week. Like, comment, subscribe. And storm is now out.